guys, once again this is Jove, and again welcome to my YouTube channel, JOV'S Online TV. And in this video, this is now the final part of my series in mathematics multiple choice questions with solutions. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, this series has 120 questions. So this is the final part of part 12, which covers question number 111 up to 120. So this is the final part of these multiple choice questions with solutions. So let's move on to question number 11. So question number 11, 111. What is the volume or of a right circular cylinder of height h and radius r? So since we are asked to find the formula for the volume, what is the correct answer? So if we're going to draw a right circular cylinder, for example, this one, the cylinder. It's like a shape of a sardines. Okay. So the given is the height. This is the height. Based on the problem, the height, and we have the radius r. So in a cylinder, the volume of a cylinder is actually base multiplied by the height. Base of the right circular cylinder, which is the base is actually the area of a circle, because this is a circular shape, circle multiplied by the height. But area of the circle, we know that this is pi r squared. This is the area of the base, which is area of the circle multiplied by height. So therefore, the volume is equal to pi r squared, which is the area of a circle, this one, multiplied by its height. Right? So this is letter D. The answer is letter D. 112. Again, it involves the formula. It involves the formula for what is the area of a rectangle. This time is a rectangle. What is the area? So if we have a rectangle, let's say we have a rectangle, what is the area? Or being asked what is the area of this rectangle given of height h. So this is the height and this is the base. And we all know that the area of a rectangle is actually area of rectangle is actually length multiplied by the width. But since length is given in the problem is the base, so this is the length and this is the height is actually the width. So therefore, just substitute the given variable. The answer is base multiplied by the height, multiplied by the height. Because W is equal to 8. So base time is height, so the answer is letter A. Alright, so number 113. What is the circumference? What is the circumference of the circle? That is the question. Number 113. What is the circumference of a circle with area 4 pi square unit? So we are asked to find the circumference. We all know that the circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi multiplied by the radius r. Since we have the given area, since A is already given, the area of a circle is 4 pi square unit. Okay. So from the given area, we can now calculate since the area of a circle is equal to pi r squared, area of a circle. Now since the area is given, which is 4 pi, we just equate this one, 4 pi r squared. And then let us cancel pi. Divide both sides by pi. This is 4 is equals to r squared. Since A is given already and we are asked to find the circumference, but r in the given formula is not given, so we need to find the value of r based on the given by equating the area to pi r squared, the given area to its formula pi r squared. So squaring both sides, r is equals to 2. So therefore, the value of the circumference is equals to 2 pi multiplied by the given answer, the answer for r, which is 2. The circumference is equal to 4 pi, which is letter C. All right. So 114 questions. What is the value of cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta? So this is an identity. This is an identity which is equal to 1. So the answer is letter C. This is very simple. So you should know all the identities of a trigonometric function. Right, so number 115. 115. How much is 30% of 70% of 400? So this is a tricky question. So we need to find first the 400. Just get the 70% first of 400.7. This is equal to 280. Then after that, get the 30%, 0.3. So 30%, just move the decimal to the left twice. This is equal to 22, 6, 7, 8, 84. The answer is 84. Letter C. All right. So number 116. 116. 116. 115, 116. 116 is a unit digit. So this is a digit number problem, digit number problem. This is a digit number. Problems. So the unit digits, so we need to recall the place value of our digits. So for example, if we have example, we have 84. The place value is, this one is ones, this one is tens, or if this is 184, this is hundreds. It's like 184. Okay, so we need to recall this one because this is a unit digits of two-digit number. So the unit digit of a two-digit number exceeds the 10-digit by 2. Find the number if it is 4 times the sum of each digit. So in this case, we need to let x as the tens digit, because this is a two-digit number, and then it was mentioned here that the unit digit of a two-digit number exceeds the 10-digit by 2. Exceeds, that means plus 2. Exceeded by 2. So this is the unit digit. The unit digit of two-digit number exceeds the tens. This is the tens. It should have as tens digit by 2. So we let x as a tens digit, and then based on the given problem, the unit digit exceeds the tens digit. So this is the tens digit by 2. So this is the equivalent equation. Now find the number if it is 4 times the sum of its digit. Okay, so find the number. So find the number if it is 4 times the sum. The sum of the digits are sum is x plus, this is x plus 2 is equals to, find the number of its if it is 4 times the sum of its digits. So 4 times the sum of its digits. So sum of its digit plus x plus 2. That is the equivalent equation. So let us, this is x tens digit, this is the tens digit, so this is tens digit, x times x, plus this is unit digit, so this is actually, if we're going to raise this is 1, And this is the unit digit is actually start to 0 for x plus 2. This is equal to 10 raised to 0 because this is the unit digit. So this is 1x plus this is 10x, okay, the 10th digit, plus 2 is equal to, so let us simplify. This is x plus 2. Let us write x plus 2. And then this is 10x plus, we don't normally write 1 for one's digit, plus 2 is equals to, this is 2x plus 2, this is equal to 8x plus 8, and this is equal to 11x plus 2. Okay, then transpose the x here, minus 8x is equals to, transpose the 2 to the right, 8 minus 2, this is equal to 11 minus 8 is 3x, is equals to 8 minus 2 is 6. Divide both sides by 3. The value of x is equal to 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 is the 10th digit. Okay, so that this is the 10th digit. So therefore the unit digit is base here, this is the unit digit, equals to x plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So this is the unit digits. Therefore, the answer, the number is the number is 24. This is the units digit, and then this is the tens digit. The answer is letter A. Letter A. Okay. So number 117, 117. All right, so we are now in 117, 117. How about, yeah, 117 is if one side of a square is doubled. So let's try to draw. For example, we have a square. It said if one side of the square is doubled, so let's say this is the other side. Doubled, let us double it. Doubled in length, so this is the length, so it's like 2x. So if this is x, this is x. And decreased by 2 centimeters, and the adjacent, so the adjacent side is decreased by, let's say, 2 inches. Let's say this is the decrease 2 inch. So this is now x minus 2. Okay. So the question here is, the area of a resulting rectangle is 96 square centimeter, larger than that of the original square. Find the dimension of the rectangle. So based on the given, let x side of the square, and we all know that x squared is the area of the square. Then 2x is the length after the doubling of the side of the square. This becomes the length of rectangle, and then x minus 2 will be the width of rectangle. Okay, so therefore then the area of a rectangle becomes the area now of rectangle is equal to 2x, which is the length, multiplied by its width, which is x minus 2. That is the area of the rectangle. Alright, so if we're going to simplify this one, this is 2x squared minus 4x. So this is the area of a rectangle. Now, based on the questions, the area of the resulting rectangle is 96 square centimeter, larger than the original square. So therefore, this is the difference. Area of rectangle now will be minus the area of square is equal to 96 square centimeter. So the area of the rectangle is 96 square centimeter, larger, so meaning larger than the original square. So just get the difference, and then from here substitute the area of the rectangle, which is 2x squared minus 4x, minus what is the area of the square. The area of the square is x squared is equal to 96. So therefore, let us simplify this one. This will become 2x minus x squared is x squared minus 4x, and then transpose 96 minus 96 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So this is factorable into, this is x, and then this is minus 12 minus, the factor of 96 is 8 times 12, 16 current 96. So minus 12, and this is plus. Minus 12 plus 8 is negative 4x. So the value of x is equals to 0, and then x plus 8 equals to 0. Since this is negative, we neglect the value of negative. We need the positive value, which is x equals to 12. Positive 12. We disregard the value of the negative because this one becomes x equals to negative 8. So ignore that one. So this is 12 centimeter. The positive solution. So 12 centimeter, this is actually the area of a square. And then if we're going to recall 2 times x multiplied by x is equals to 2 multiplied by 12. This is equal to 24. 24 is the length of the rectangle. So this is the length of a rectangle. What about the width? This is the length of the rectangle. The width of the rectangle is x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 24 minus 2 is equals to 12. Sorry, this is 12. This is 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. 10 is the width of rectangle. So therefore, the dimension, find the dimension of the rectangle. The dimension of rectangle is, that is length times the width is equal to, or width times length, whichever the same, is equal to 10 centimeter, the width 10 centimeter by 24 centimeter, the length. So the answer is letter A, 10 by 24. All right. So number 18, 118. Factor completely the expression 27a cubed minus. So by inspection, this is not a, if you're going to multiply this by inspection from the choices, letter B is not the answer, because if you're going to get the cube of this, it will not arrive at, the last one is 8b cubed, and 3 is not a third power of 8. So this one is not possible. A minus 3b is not also possible, so cancel B and C. 4 also is 4 times 4, 16 times 4 is 64. It's not also possible with the first term of the given. So by inspection only, the answer is letter, by inspection, the answer is letter A. And then you can verify it by multiplying 3 times this one. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is 27. So obviously, and 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So multiply this 3 times, you will arrive at this answer. So therefore, the answer is letter A. So it's a tricky question. 119. Which of the following factor will best help you factor the expression? Definitely, if you're going to factor this one, x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals to 0. The factor here is equals to xx plus 7 minus 1. 6x squared. This one. So that means grouping is not the answer. We did not group it. We just factor it using common monomial factor. Difference of 2 cubes. This is not a difference of 2 cubes. It's not a cube. Common monomial factor. Completing the square is not the answer. So therefore, the answer is letter C. By inspection. And last but not the least, 120. We're done with this series, 120. Number 120 question is also very tricky. If 4x minus 7 is the first odd integer, then find the 7th even integer after it. So, if 4x minus 7 said this is the first odd, find the 7th integer. 7th even integer. So from here we'll start 4x minus 7 plus 1. This is the first even. Okay. 4x minus 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9 is not possible. negative 7 plus 1, this is 6. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6, and then plus 2, this is the second even. And then negative 6 plus 2, 4x, this is minus 6 plus 4. So since this is the first even, from here we need to subtract negative 7 plus 1, and then this is the first even, and then the next even is 6 plus 2 is 8, and then 6 plus 3 is not possible, so 6 plus 4 is the third. And then 4x minus 6 plus 6. This is the fourth even. And then 4x minus 6 plus 8. 8, 19, 14. This is the fifth even. And then 4x minus 6 plus 10. 10 plus 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2. 6 plus 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. 4. This is the sixth even. And then 4x minus 6 plus 12. is equal to, so this is the 7th. So this is 4x plus 6. The answer is 4x plus 6, letter C. So the first even number is this one, subtract to make it. Second even number, because 6 plus 2 is 8, and then subtract 6 minus 2 is 4. And then again, this is, next is 6, negative 6 plus 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's correct. So from here, negative 6, all are 6. So the answer is letter C. Alright, so we're done with our series, part 12. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it will help you in your preparation before you take the board exam, and you will be able to recall some of the formulas that is being used in this series from question number 1 up to 120. So once again, Guy, thank you so much, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe in this channel, and then hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my with my future videos, which is also related to mathematics and for used as a resources for board examinations like civil service, LET exam, and engineering exam. So thank you, and see you in my next tutorial.